See, look at these gigantic. Look at this thing. Jeez. You know, I'm gonna take some of these. Oh, bye-bye. I'm taking your lunch. Taking your lunch. Ooh. Looky, looky. Yeah, you gotta watch out, because big bugs in here. But these flowers make really good earache medicine, and I'm gonna give it to my neighbor for his daughters after I make a whole bottle of it for him. Oh, yeah, you can have it. Oh, yeah, okay. Look at these gigantic leaves. Look at that. Ooh. And look at how pristine the leaves are. Right next to the river. Indian tobacco. Look at that. You just like roll that up and smoke it. Expectorant. It's good for you. Cures COPD, bronchitis, pneumonia. Oh. I need to pay attention to two things. I'm not the greatest cameraman, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, I've almost got 2 pounds of this stuff already today, just in the last half hour being out here. Yep. Big giant grocery bag. Grab a few more of these gigantic choice leaves. And then I'm gonna dip out. My auntie has COPD, but I'm curing it with this. She lives in Hawaii. Her entire house was destroyed by the volcano. Ooh, you see that spider right there? Yeah, you can keep that leaf. I'm gonna take this one though, right next to you. And this one. That one too. Yep. Gotta get you, and 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 up. Little hole in there. Leave that one. Yeah. Now there's miles and miles more of it. But, well, here. Last one. Just grab a few of these really nice leaves and then leave the rest for tomorrow. Yep. Fingertips are all yellow from pulling those flowers. Look at that. It's hard work. Right here on the Snake River. Jackson Hole. Who knew? Look at it. Look at that. Look how wonderful God is. Look at that. Amen.